Okay guys, so today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to simulate or how to interface an FSR sensor with that of Arduino Uno. FSR simply means force sensing resistor. So how we can interface it? First, we have to open our simulator, which is Tinkercad, and we can click on that. After we have searched it out, we can see www.tinkercad.com. So we will click on this link. Now our site has been opened and now we can see a create button on the right hand side. So click on it. Now we can see this circuits option. Okay. And now it will lead us to the circuits simulating window. Now we got our window. So here we will search for Arduino Uno. Okay. So this is our Arduino. We can see, okay, this is our, we can rotate it out. After this has been done, we need to write, we will write here FSR. Okay, or we can manually search it out. So here it is the force sensing resistor. Okay. Now with this force sensing resistor, we need a 10K resistor as a voltage divider. Okay, so we will write here resistor. Okay, we will go and we will take our power supply. We can write here power supply and we got our power supply. So now we can attach one end of any end of the force sensing resistor with that of power supply positive pin. After this has been done, the other end of the resistor must be connected with the second pin of the FSR sensor. Other end of the resistor must be connected with the ground terminal of the power supply. And we also need to connect the ground of the Arduino Uno with that of the ground of this sensor. Okay, now our circuit has been completed. This is our whole circuit. And now we will go towards coding. Here we can click on this and we can just select the text option. Click on continue. And now we got our coding window. We can delete all the code which has written. So first we have to declare two variables of integer data type. So our first variable is int f underscore san is equal to a0. Int f underscore san is equal to a0. Then we will write int f underscore read. Okay, so these two are variables, and whose actually task is to store certain values which are of integer data type. Means simply any sort of integer data can be stored inside these two variables. And here we can just write a0, okay, not a0 but 0. So these two are our variables. Then we will go for void setup. In void setup, okay, sorry, we need to write void space setup. Void setup is our function which will just execute for one time. Usually it is used for the initialization of certain libraries, certain functions, and certain, okay, like a variable. So here we will write serial dot begin 9600. So why we have written serial dot begin? Because we want to see the data on our serial monitor. So we have written this thing, serial dot begin. We are not going into the complexities of this function. Just simply it is used for serial communication to show data on the serial monitor. Then we will go and we will write while loop. So this is our while loop here, and now we will write f underscore read is equal to analog read of f underscore send. So it simply means that A0, because 0 analog read used to read data on A0 pin. With the help of analog read function, we can read data on f underscore send pin, which is actually is A0. Now we will write serial dot println readings okay, we can just write serial dot print. Okay, ln means that in next line serial dot print will just print this thing, readings as it is equal to as it is on the serial monitor. And then after this has been done, we will write serial dot println and f underscore read means that whatsoever data inside the f underscore read, we want their data inside the on the serial monitor, to show on the serial monitor. So this is done. Now we will define our categories, that if fread is less than 10 means that no pressure is there, that if someone used to apply certain force or pressure on this sensor, obviously we will get some reading on A0 pin, and if this reading is less than 10, then on serial monitor we just need to write no pressure. Okay, so we can write no pressure, and then we will go for else if conditions, like else if after first condition has been checked again. Okay, so else if means that if this condition has been like satisfied, then it will jump out of all the statements, and if first condition is wrong, then it will move to this else if. So this is a very simple concept. Hopefully you know this thing. So else if read is less than 200, then we can say it is gentle or light, like light pressure or light squeeze. So we will write here light squeeze. A light squeeze. Then we can go and we can write 200, and this is 500. So this is gentle squeeze. Okay, so And else if one more condition, if f is less than 800, then we can write high or huge squeeze. So now we can start our simulation. Oh, they said in log read. So here we can do it like this, f read, and they said, okay, they said was not, else if was not declared in this scope. So can we go it like this? Okay, there must be certain things like this, spaces. Okay, we can place the spaces, so we can open our seal monitor as well. So they said, okay, wait, so now okay, there are a lot of values. There are a lot of values. Okay, and what is wrong actually? Okay, because we have not connected A0 pin with that of proper point, which is this thing. So we are getting a lot of values. Also we need to like this, and now we run it out, and here you can see it is in no pressure, no reading. Now we will move, and they said it is light squeeze. Okay, and then light squeeze will move towards gentle squeeze. Okay, as we are changing this sensor, okay, this bar. So now one more, it is okay, it is just going up to 413. Okay, so this, and it is just going for up to 466. So it is just up to gentle squeeze. So we can change a bit. Okay, wait, we have to go and give it a proper supply of 5 volt. Yes, we have given it is the 5 volt supply, and this okay. And here we need to change the value of resistor to 10k. Now we will go, we will see our seal monitor. Now you can see light squeeze, gentle squeeze, and okay, now it is huge squeeze. Okay, so hopefully you got the concept that how you can use this FSR sensor with that of Arduino Uno in Tinkercad. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.